Here's a weather bulletin for the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Forest, Jefferson Davis, Jones, Lamar, Lawrence, Lincoln, and Marion. Dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning. What? Visibility occasionally below a quarter mile in dense fog. Where? Lincoln, Lawrence, Jefferson Davis, Covington, Jones, Marion, Lamar, and Forest counties. When? Until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning. Impacts: hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. Precautionary preparedness actions: if driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. Now here's